Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. My name is Dora and thank you for joining me today. Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make mermaid egg bath bombs. These bath bombs are absolutely stunning. If you like sparkling bath bombs, you will love these. They're also really fun in the tub and last a while, like 7 to 10 minutes. Refer to the description for the recipe and substitutions. You'll notice this recipe has more wet ingredients than normal, and that's because of the type of mold I'm using. I wanted this bath bomb to be really sparkling and majestic, so I added mermaid colored micas and glitters. Don't worry about thoroughly mixing everything because there's more ingredients to be added. Split the batch into 2 bowls. The turquoise will be the exterior mix and the blue is for the interior mix. Add SLSA to the exterior mix. This will decrease the bath bomb's bubbles and fizz while increasing the foam, making it more thick and lathery. Guar gum increases vigor and makes bigger bubbles. It also creates a soft jelly-like substance. Divide both mixes for multiple colors. Then add dry color powder to each. I added eco-friendly biodegradable holographic glitter to each color. Subscribe now for more amazing tutorials just like this and to show your appreciation and support. Quick tip: avoid harsh visible lines where different colors meet. Mix colors together so they're similar. The exterior colors look much better when they blend together. Stack bowls on top each other to slow the drying process. I use 3mm glitter size for the interior mix because I really want it to pop. Use holographic glitter so they match fish scales, which are naturally iridescent. This is the Mermaid mold, which I'll link along with a 10% off discount code. This is Mystic Gold Mica, which has bigger flakes than normal mica. You can only see the difference when the mica is out of focus. Coat both sides with mica, then pour the extra into a cup for later use. Okay, so place exterior mix in, patterns are totally up to you, and make an exterior shell. Add interior mix, filling it to the top, then pack it. Add loose mix on top. Try not to overfill the molds, which is something I'm really bad at usually. They should look like this. Smush both sides together tightly, making sure the molds are perfectly aligned. Now get rid of the extra mix in the middle. The best way I found to do this is with short, quick micro twists. You can think of it more like a vibrating motion rather than a deep, hard twist. Do this until both molds are flush together all the way around. Tap both sides with a spoon. Gently lift up to see if the bomb is released. If it is, gently put the mold back, flip it over, and check the other side. If it's not, continue tapping until it is. Place the bombs on a flat surface to dry for at least 24 hours. To get unexpected pops of color, mix interior and exterior mixes together, then sprinkle it in the mold. If both sides get stuck in the mold, lift one side up just a bit, then tap it until the bomb is released. Put the mold back, flip it over, and do the same thing. Remember to lift the mold just a bit. If not, the bomb will be much harder to come out. If this happens where one side is out of the mold and one side is stuck in the mold, flip the mold over, place it right above the bomb, align the two halves, and tap until the bomb is released. Let the bomb dry for a few hours, then shrink wrap it so the two sides dry and fuse together overnight. For packaging, I recommend a netted material like tulle. The tulle reminds me of a fish net, plus the gorgeous sparkles and colors remain visible. Shrink wrapping is optional, but it minimizes scrapes and dents and allows the bomb to stay fresh for longer. Tie two pieces of tulle together. Place the bomb in the middle. Pull each side up and wrap the bomb. Gather the material at the top and secure it with a rubber band. Cut the excess tulle off. Finish with a cute ribbon and tag. I ended up making 3 batches, each with different colors. I could not get the colors just right. This is batch number 2. You can see batch number 3, which is my favorite, in a shorts video that will be linked in this video and shown at the end. These bath bombs were really fun to make and to use. The interior foam turns into a soft jelly that floats on top of the water. It softens skin and is fun to play with. It comes off as soon as you put your hand back in the water. The jelly is easily rinsed away as well. Thanks for joining me today. Refer to the description for the recipe, helpful tips, updates, and the supply list.